So friends, as I said, I'll be teaching you about how to use dots flashcards. So first, this is a dot flashcard. Okay, this is a set of 111 cards. It comes from 0 to 100 numbers, and there are 10 signs. So if you can see, you have multiplication, division, percentage, addition, subtraction, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to signs here, and these are the numbers. Now I'll show you how to use these numbers. So the dots flashcard is based on the right brain education technique. Flash means flashing the cards at a very high speed so that the child can grasp it. Remember, your child is very faster. If you take time, he'll get bored and will not be interested. So my first tip would be, whenever you start the dots flashcards or any kind of flashcards, you need to bring interest in the child. So whenever you start, you have to say, come on, let's do the flashcards, or it's flashcards time. And also ensure that whenever you do it, the child is in a good mood, and the child is not tired, the child is not fussy. And secondly, there should not be any distraction around. Remember, if you have any kind of distraction, the child may not show interest in the flashcards. And any activity when you start with your kid, it would be advisable you first start with a dot flashcard and then show them, because they may find something else more interesting than this. So always start with the dots flashcards first. Now how to show them? It goes like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So first week when you start, it would be only 1 to 10. You have to show daily only from 1 to 10. Okay. Once you show them the cards from 1 to 10, after 2-3 days, you can say, let's play game. It's game time now. And what you could do is, you could just show 2 or 3 cards to them, and you can ask them, tell me which one is 4. Tell me which one is 5. This would also develop the interest in the child. Okay. After the first week, you'll start for the second week. Second week, I would advise you, don't start from 11 to 20, but you start from 1 to 20. Remember, we are not learning only 1 to 10 or 11 to 20. We are learning from 1 to 20. And same on from third week onwards, it would be 1 to 30, 1 to 40, and so on till you reach 1 to 100. So now, once you reach 1 to 40, what you could do is, you could use these signs. So I'll just take a plus and minus sign. After 1 to 40, you could take this plus and minus signs, and you can ask your child to do the math. So for example, here in the front side you have the dots, in the back side you have the numbers. So even when you are flashing the cards, you could easily see what number it is. So for instance, you can tell your child what is 6 plus 5. So you'll place like this: 6, in between plus, and then 5. And you will take 11 number dot flashcard, and in between you could use this sign, which is a equal to sign. This will help your child to understand the numbers very well and the equations very well. And so on, it would go on. Similarly, you can use other signs at a later stage. So after you complete 70 to 80, you should start with multiplication and division signs, which are as here. And same ways we did plus and minus, you will do for multiplication and division. And last one would be your greater than and less than signs. So this would be overall a 70 days course, and after 70 days your child should be able to do the math using dot flashcards. So based on the research and studies, people even start this at the time of pregnancy, and there are videos where even newborn babies are able to show the numbers or identify the numbers and do the math. Okay. And if you can see here, there are some equations also for your help. So you can even use these equations while teaching your child math. Always remember that it's up to you how interesting you can make. If your child at any time doesn't show interest, don't force him to do it. You can take a break that day, or you can stop for a week and again start. But don't force your child to do anything forcibly. Hope this video was helpful. Hope this video was useful to you. You can start this as early as 3 months. The earlier you start, the better it is. Remember, a 1-year child is faster than a 2-year-old child. And same ways it goes on. Make it as interesting as possible for your kid, so that by the time your child enters the school, he is able to do all this math without any problem. In case of any queries, feel free to reach out to me. If you like my video, please share with your friends as well.